Good day everybody. Today I will be demoing a BDD solution for UI and APIs. Web scraping from UI and retrieval of data from API will be performed. Finally, the reports will be generated using AI and data science. All these are achieved using Python. Here is the feature file and its details. If you notice, there are no screenshots currently present under the screenshot folder. Let me kickstart the execution, and as the demo progress, I will be providing you more details. So the execution is began. First, the Instagram channel page will be launched. Video related data will be web scraped from the UI. Next, media related data will be retrieved from the API. Here the following reports will be generated: bar graph, pie chart, histogram and line graph. So if you notice that currently there are two set of data here. One is less than 10K and another is greater than 10K. So currently reports are being generated. The first report is the bar graph. The second one is the pie chart, histogram, and finally line graph. I have segregated the data groups into two, such as less than 10,000 and greater than 10K. So this is the data which is greater than 10K. This is the pie chart. This is the histogram. And finally the line graph. So the first iteration has completed now. The second iteration for the BBC News channel will begin now. So the second iteration has begun. First, video related data will be web scraped from the UI. Media related data will be retrieved from the API, and finally the reports will be produced. Here, if you notice, there are no data which is less than 10K. Hence, this will not be included or generated by the reports. Let us wait and review those. So, if you notice, the report are generated for greater than 10Ks. So, this is the report. This is the bar graph. This is the pie chart, followed by the histogram, and the final one, the line graph. So the execution is complete now. Let us also review the report generated by the BDD. So the report is successfully generated now. Let us review this report. So this is the overview. Here we have two stories. Let us go to this suites and see what are there. So these are the data which is present in this suite. Let us review the graphs which are generated by. So this is the graph details. Let us review the time details. These are the time details. Let us review the behavior. So these are the screenshots which are being generated, which are also displayed by the program, and these are also saved. And these are the details of the saved screenshots. To summarize, web scraping from UI and data retrieval from API are performed, followed by report generation using AI and data science. All these are achieved using Python. Thanks for your time and watching. Kindly I request you to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks.